Today I'm going to be sharpening an anterior sickle scaler. I have my armamentarium set up. I have the water to soak up the stone, the sharpening stone, a toothbrush, a testing stick, a sickle scaler, and a piece of gauze. First, I'm going to test the sharpness of the anterior sickle with a testing stick. I'm going to place my fulcrum with the modified pen grasp. Testing the heel third, middle third, toe third. This side seems sharp. Let's do the other one. Heel third, middle third, toe third. So the heel third and the middle third seem to be a little dull. So I'm going to take the sharpening stone out of the water. I'm placing the stone at 3 o'clock and the face of a sickle at 3 o'clock. The terminal shank is at 12 o'clock. I bring the sharpening stone up at 12 and open it at 1. And starting with the heel third, I'm going to be bringing the stone up to the toe third in a straight motion. And heel third, middle third, toe third, and finishing in a downstroke. Going to begin again with the other side. Terminal shank at 12, bringing the stone up to 12, open it at 1, beginning with the heel third, middle third, toe third. And that's it. I'm going to brush off any excess debris with the gauze, and I'm going to test the sickle scaler with a testing tube. Heel third, middle third, toe third, and the other side. Heel third, middle third, toe third.